guys, today, planets, we're gonna see their sounds, all the planets in our solar system. So first, we'll start with Mercury. But first, let me tell you, uh, space has no air, which doesn't allow sound to travel. But, and you'll obviously think, like, then what are we listening at? There's no real sound, like spacecrafts, like the Bio Colombo spacecraft record sonifications. Data turned into sound. These audio files changed magnetic fields and vibrations into eerie hums and low static and soft pops. And now let's listen to it. Okay, guys, that was like air going like it's windy. It's like winds, and the first it was like a monster screaming or roaring, and some like moo of a cow. Scary. Yes. Comment in the comments if it's scary. And in the end, you guys all should comment which one was the scariest, which planet. But now we go with Venus. Now let us search the sound of Venus. Great. Okay, the sound of Venus includes low-frequency radio emissions captured in its upper atmosphere by NASA's Parker Solar Probe, magnetic field wave data translated into audio by spacecraft like the European Space Agency, Bepi Colombo, and historical atmospheric data recording attributed to Soviets. Okay, how Venus sounds. Super dense air, 92 times heavier than Earth, like being a kilometer. Deep pits and fast travel plasma waves. And the same. And now let's hear. But wait, I need to go and say something. Okay, I came back. Now let's listen to the Venus. And plus Venus is my favorite planet because because it is my how do I say? Okay, let's continue. Okay, this is not the sound. Let's go. This is not the sound. Let's see this. This is an ad. Okay, now. Guys, this is actually, guys, it actually says 2 hours of sleep, focus, and relaxation. But this doesn't look like relaxations. This is like scary. It's like hums, bells, and the sound for a horror movie. Like when a monster is coming. That sound can be recorded. And this is the sound. Let's skip the this thing says that 12 hours of sleep, but that will give nightmares to you. Don't try that. Okay. Looked very scary, but now let's go and let's do Earth. Earth has like cars beeping, going, some rain or hurricanes, and water flowing and wind. Let's see. Okay, now sound of Earth. Okay. Okay, this is not what we need. Again, not what we need.
What you're about to hear is the real sound of Earth's magnetic field as recorded in space by NASA.
Okay, let's go. Arston, no. I don't want. Do you hearing? Are you hearing? This is actually Earth sound. You can never hear it from the surface. It's like someone is laughing right there in a low frequently sound. So scary. Okay, next, Mars. Let's see Mars. Great, let's Mars.
Microphones, and these microphones are the very first instruments of their
is fixed on
the internet. We can just
hear the lower frequencies, and it's a much more first time we can hear the wind blowing across the surface of.
Okay, sound of Mars. Let's listen.
Mars can sound on Earth. And this is how a bicycle bell would sound on Mars.
Okay, this is a bicycle bell sign.
Now this is how ocean waves sound here on Earth.
Like, this is how ocean waves sound here on Earth.
And this is how they would sound on Mars.
It's kind of lower. Sorry guys, I couldn't find the actual sound of Mars, but let's now go to Jupiter. Let's go Jupiter. Okay. actually scary. Okay, this is scary. I think this is the one of the most scary, and this one also looked like it can happen when a monster is coming in a film, and this kind of sound is playing. Okay, now let's go to Uranus. No, I mean Saturn sound. Saturn is gonna be scary too. All these sounds are kind of scary. The Earth was such strange. You all can. I know you won't believe that, but I'm telling you, it's real, 100% real, and it's like captured from space. Now let's go to sound of Saturn. It's gonna be like particles inside the magnetic field of Saturn, like pumping all over the place, and you're gonna see you're gonna hear the sound of the particles popping. Okay, this is scary. Okay, that's scary. That's 100% scary. Let's go to Uranus. But I think the scariest is still Earth. It's kind of strange that the scariest is Earth, where we live in. And Mars is like a lower version of our sound. Okay, now if I'm talking like this, hello, in Mars it will be like this. Hello. Strange. Okay, now sound of Uranus, where diamonds rains. Ghostly sounds? Okay, this is gonna be scary. This is an ad. Guys, this is an ad. Okay, let's go. It's sound of winds. Do you hear that? It's scary. This is the scariest one yet. It passed Earth, 100% past Earth.